Welcome to New Car, where we explore the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Today we're diving into the 2024 Lexus ES, a sedan that doesn't just promise luxury, it delivers it in every curve, every detail, and every mile. This isn't just another sedan. It's a masterclass in refinement, blending Japanese precision with cutting-edge technology to create a driving experience that's as serene as it is sophisticated. The 2024 Lexus ES begins with a design that commands attention without shouting. Its signature spindle grille is bolder than ever, framed by sleek LED headlights that cut through the darkness with precision. The body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, creating a silhouette that's both elegant and purposeful. Step inside, and the ES envelops you in a sanctuary of tranquility. The cabin is a testament to craftsmanship. Soft-touch leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and brushed metal accents create an atmosphere of understated luxury. The seats are engineered for comfort, with standard heating and available ventilation for year-round relaxation. The ES isn't just about looks and comfort. It's packed with technology that keeps you connected and safe. Under the hood, the ES offers two powertrain options tailored to your priorities. The ES 350 features a 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 302 horsepower and 267 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth, responsive acceleration. Safety is woven into the ES's DNA. It earned a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA and is a top safety pick plus from the IIHS. Standard features include 8 airbags, a reinforced body structure built with high-strength steel, and advanced systems like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert.